So, this is something terrifying. It's currently raining right now. Oh, there's a rainbow! Look at it, it's beautiful. There's a rainbow forming. And all the skies are this odd color. You can see it's all purple and orange. And you think that's it. Look over here. The camera might not pick up the true colors. It's beautiful, guys, but trust me, this is beautiful. I'm actually very happy to see what I'm looking at, as I'm literally in awe. I am in awe at this damn sky. I don't know what the hell is happening, but it's all like, let me adjust it. Yeah, I can't adjust it. So this is by my trampoline, which was in a video I deleted because it sucked. I got quite a lot of things. It's good. It's terrifying, really. Everything has an orange hue to it. Somebody should make a horror movie where this happens, because, oh boy, is this scary. Paint gun! Paint gun! Oh my god, the paint gun! Paint gun! Paint gun! I don't get the... Get off. I might have to put my phone down, but I don't know where, because everything is wet. I'll put you guys in my pocket. There. Now we got this. Spray paint. That'll probably explode. I should back away. And not die. Look, I know it doesn't look that pretty in the video, but in real life, this looks absolutely stunning. This literally is so beautiful. The camera doesn't really pick it up well, but oh well. If I can, I might try to edit the video. But yeah, that's really all I wanted to make this vlog. This doesn't usually happen. I heard this is rare. In school told me it was rare. Oh, I see my TV, that little thing in the window, that's my TV. I think it's my TV, I don't know. It's also raining right now. Again, there's a beautiful ass rainbow. And I'm happy. I could stay here. If it wasn't cold, it's quite cold for some reason, despite it being spring. But it's a little cold. Oh, the rainbow's starting to fade away. Yeah, let me get the colors well. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. This was absolutely terrifying but beautiful at the same time. This is very photogenic. It's genuinely beautiful. And I am happy with what I'm seeing. And yes, I want to remind you, babyhood is in the works. That I'm finally actually working on the video. I've had so many delays because I ended up having to work on another. God, it got oranger. It got more orangey-er, whatever the hell it is. Look, it's even more orange. The camera really can't pick it up. I might have to turn up the saturation and or contrast, or maybe use color correctors to make the orange more bright and visible. But literally everything is orange. Everything. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It looks like shit in this camera, but here it looks absolutely stunning. And yeah, that's all I want to vlog about. I'll see you in the next vlog, and goodbye. God, that voice crack.